Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the PHP callback function. A, a callback function, often refers to as just a callback, is a function which is pass an argument into another function. Okay, callback function uh, mean any existing function can be used as a callback function. To use function as a callback function, pass a string containing the name of the function as an argument of the another function. Okay, I will explain this with the code example. Let's go to the code. And here I will create a PHP code, and let's say we have a function called get strlen. It will return the length of the string. Let's say here we have item. Uh, we will create return strlen of the items. Sorry, len the item. Okay, and now we have this function get strlen function, and here we will create the item array. We have array of items. Let's say we have items called fonts, and let's say we have keyboard, and also we have pen. These are the items we have within our array. We can pass this to get the length. Uh, let, to get the length, we can pass this to array map inbuilt function, and also our custom function get strlen as a callback, and also our item array. Okay. Uh, I will explain this code. Here, as you can see, we have call getStrlen. It's a custom function. That means it written by ourselves. That means we who define this function, and we have array of items. And what we are doing is we pass array map function is a inbuilt function. We pass this get str length as an argument of this array map function, mentioning like this. That means using this array name, just array name as a string. We pass as an argument of this array map. Then that is the thing we can call this thing we can call as a callback function. This is the how we do the callback functions. That means we pass uh, our function to another function as a um, argument. Okay, this is the main idea behind of this. Let's echo this print r dollar, because this is return is array, because we're passing array. Let's go to the browser. Here we can refresh this. Yeah, we can see it will return the length of the each string with the index. Okay, this is the one way we can do this, and also we can within the new PHP 7 we can use this as a anonymous function. That means let's copy this thing again. Let's comment these things. Here, what we can do is that without that, you can see here we define the function. Without the defining function, we can pass the function as a anonymous function. Let's say without function name. That means here we have a function. Let's item, and we return uh, strlen $item, and the as you can see, we not define our custom function. We just pass the function body into function body and function keyword into as a callback function, callback way. This is called as an anonymous function without a function name. Let's go to same result. It will return the same result. It will return the same result without any changes. Uh, okay, this is the second way. That means second option we can use. We can use pass a callback function as an anonymous function. And also we can do user-defined function. We can use user-defined functions as a callback function. Let's say, as an example, let's say we have a function called add explanation mark exclaim. Okay, explanation mark. Here we pass a string str, and let's return $str dot adding explanation mark. Okay, and let's go to another one. Let's add another function called add uh, question question mark. Here we can add $str. Here we return $str dot with the question mark. Okay, let's say we have another function called mm, uh, print format. Here we can pass our str and our function as a callback format. Here we return $format. This is our function and str. Uh, here we not we print echo. Okay, now we define two functions. Um, that means this is the two functions we define. We have three functions actually. Uh, what we are going to do is we use these two functions as a argument of our print format function. That means we pass these two functions to our print format function and we get the result. That way we use these two functions as a callback function. Let's say we have it's we call print format print format. Let's hear this one. Print format. We can pass a string as a this is the format. Let's say dot. We can pass our function as a callback. Let's say add exclaim. This is the first format we going to use. Um, here and also we can copy this. Let's say echo br first. Here also we put this br. Okay, now we we pass our second function as a callback in here. As you can see, now we have one method that means print format function. We use that print format. We call that print format function with this string and with this callback. This callback is our define in here. Let's go to the browser and check where after result of this. As you can see, it will create the result. That means it will, according to our custom function, it will return the return in. It will show the return in here. Okay, I think I explained the code. I can explain again this thing. You can understand better. Here we use our strlen as a callback function of array map function. Here we use within the array map we use getStrLen as an argument of the array map function. We pass this strlen string to array map function. Here we use anonymous function. That means we not without function name. We pass our function information, function body we pass the function body, and function without function declaration we pass other information. That is the way we use anonymous way. It is actually comes with the PHP 7. Here we have two functions, and also we have a print format function. Within the print format function, we use these two functions as an argument of print format function, and we pass function name. That means here you can see function name to this format string array variable, and here we use that function to echo the string. Here, this is the basic idea behind of the callback function. Okay, if this video helped you, please give thumbs up. If you wanna see future videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Let's meet with the next video.